Today we are going to learn how to make a happy face of a boy. For this, we need one drawing paper, pencil and eraser. So let's start and learn how to make step-by-step face of a happy boy. Let's first draw upside down a semicircle. So we have to draw a semicircle like this, upside down. Then we will make ears of this happy boy like this. One more inside it. Now in the center of this area we will make eyes like round and round and round, and small dot, again round and round and round, small dot, then eyebrows, then a nose and smiling face. After this we will make the hair, a curve in the center, then one on other side and one more curve on the other side. Then we will draw a curved line to make the outer line of the hair. See, it is so easy to make a happy face.